Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to send a fax from Gmail quickly and easily, even though Gmail doesn't support faxing directly. First, choose an online fax service like Fax Plus, MyFax, or CocoFax. Head to their website and sign up. Most offer free trials so you can test things out before committing. Next, once your fax account is ready, open Gmail and click the Compose button to start a new email. After that, in the To field, enter the recipient's fax number followed by the service's domain. For example, with Fax Plus, it might look like fax number at faxplus.com. Now attach the documents you want to fax, PDFs, Word files, or images, just like you would with any regular email. To complete your fax, type a message in the email body if you want to include a cover page or note. Once everything looks good, click Send. Your email will be converted into a fax and delivered to the recipient's fax machine. And that's it. You've just sent a fax using Gmail and an online fax service. No fax machine needed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.